Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I'm conducting this session for you. And today's topic is differently abled people. Let's start. Who are differently abled people? The organs work together in coordination with brain to help us do various activities like seeing, hearing, speaking, walking. These are called abilities. So जो भी काम हम करते हैं, they are coordinated with the basic organs from which we are doing to the brain. Suppose if I'm blinking my eyes, that is connected to the brain. If brain gives me message to blink my eyes, then only I can blink. So these are the abilities. If I can see, that is my eyes are connected to brain and they are giving signal to see it. So whatsoever we are doing, that is connected to brain, and brain coordinates from each and every organ of our body so that we can perform all these functions. So these are the abilities of our body. Some people may not have one or more abilities either by birth or due to some illness or accident. But sometimes some people don't have ability of seeing things or hearing things or maybe speaking or maybe walking. These abilities can be from by birth, they don't have these abilities, or maybe they had some kind of illness or they had some kind of accident, so they lost their abilities of seeing, hearing, speaking or walking. Such people are called differently abled people. So the people who cannot see properly or hear or speak or walk, they are called differently abled people. Let's start with the types of disabilities. That means what kind of differently abled people are there in our society. Visual disability, hearing disability, physical disability and learning disability. So major four kind of disabilities are there which we can observe in our environment, in our surroundings, with the people. That is visual, hearing, physical and learning. Visual is basically vision, eyes. Hearing basically means your ears, that you cannot hear or maybe partially. Physical may be some disability in your body, maybe some part is missing from your body. Learning ability is if you can learn properly and recognize it, or you can interpret things properly or not. I will discuss them in brief now. Let's start with the visual disability. Some people are not able to see properly. They improve their vision by wearing spectacles. So there are so many people around you. You can see those wear spectacles because their eyesight is not proper. They don't have proper vision. So they have to wear spectacles. Some people are not able to see at all. They have visual disability and are said to be blind. But you can also see around you, some people may not able to see anything, any color or any movement or anything. That means they don't have visualization. They are blind. They have special script to read and write called Braille. So the people who are blind, who don't have any vision, they have a special script to write. They write or they read in Braille. So they use these spectacles or stick to move, and they read and write through Braille. You can see this kind of sheet is there. The dotted is the words through which they can read or they can write it also. Let's move on to next one, which is hearing disability. Some people may not be able to hear properly. They use a small machine called hearing aid. So, like we have studied before in the visual disability, that some people don't have proper eyesight, so they use spectacles. Same like that, some people do not hear properly, they don't have proper hearing, so they use hearing aid. This is a small machine which is put in the ear like a earphone, and they use it to hear. Some people are not able to hear at all, they are said to be deaf. So there is one more kind with with the disability of not hearing at all. They cannot listen anything, so they are deaf. Most of the time, people born with the hearing disability are able to speak as well. They are said to be deaf mute. They use sign language to communicate. So there are most probable chances that the person who is born with the disability of hearing, who cannot listen, they may not speak also. So this disability is called deaf and mute. Deaf and dumb, we also say that. And how do they communicate? They communicate through sign languages by moving their hands and making figures through their fingers. Like you can see in the picture, a person is wearing hearing aid, and the second picture shows you sign language, how they are using their hands and fingers to communicate. Let's move on to next one, which is physical disability. A physical disability is a limitation on a person's physical functioning, mobility, dexterity, or stamina. So here in physical disability, person cannot function properly or move, or they don't have stamina to do work. So these people are physically disabled. Other physical disability include impairments which limit other facets of daily living, such as respiratory disorders, blindness, epilepsy, and sleep disorders. So physical disability can be any kind of disability that includes your hearing, visual, or any body organ is not there, or any kind of disorder in your organs, or your sleep disorder. Those all those things are included in physical disability. Like you can see, some cannot walk because they don't have foot, or maybe they have their foot and leg but they are paralyzed, or maybe they don't have their hands, or maybe they cannot see. So there may be any kind of situation for physical disability. Now let's move on to the last one, which is learning disability. This disability is common nowadays, and the most common example of this disability is shown in the picture Tare Zameen Par, which was made by Amir Khan. So in this picture, he focused on learning disability because it's common nowadays. Let's learn what is it. Learning disability is a disability that affects a person's ability to process information. That person is not able to understand what we are doing in the environment, or what we are doing in the classroom, or everywhere around him. He is confused with all those things. People with learning disability possess an average to above average IQ. So they don't have very much good IQ level. They have average IQ level who possess learning disability. Dyslexia is the most common form of all learning disability. So, in Tare Zameen Par, I have referred it before. They also focused on dyslexia, and this is the most common learning disability nowadays. In this disability, child is not able to recognize the letters or the alphabets. They may misinterpret 6 with 9 or maybe D with B. So this kind of problems they face. You can see the child is studying but he is not able to focus. So these are the problems in learning disability. Let's start with the mind map, what we have studied in whole video till now. This is a short recap and short notes of all the things you have studied till now. Starting with the visual impairment, that means visual disability. So near sightedness, far sightedness, night blindness, color blindness or blindness. So near sightedness is पास की नज़र कमज़ोर होना, पास की चीज़ें प्रॉपर ना देखना. Far sightedness means you're not able to see the things which are far away from you at distant place. Night blindness means you're not able to see in the night. Color blindness, that means you're not able to differentiate between colors, and blindness means that you're totally not able to see anything around you. Moving on to the next one, which is hearing impairment, hearing disability. So partial hearing impairment and complete hearing impairment. Partial can be corrected with the help of hearing aid, hearing machine, but complete hearing impairment cannot be corrected. Next one is muteness, unable to speak, use sign language to communicate. So I have already told you, the people who are born with the hearing disability, they have probable chances of having muteness, that they are not able to speak, so they communicate through sign language. Next one is learning disability. There are various disabilities under this, like dyslexia, they are not able to recognize, dysgraphia, dyscalculia, and dyspraxia, dysphasia, aphasia. So there are so many of the learning disabilities. In some of the disabilities, they are not able to recognize, or they may not able to read, or they may not able to do mathematics properly. So there are various kind of learning disabilities. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope I have helped you with this topic, and please do like and share so that everyone can be benefit with my videos. And please do subscribe my channel for more updates about EVS videos. Thank you everyone. Bye bye, take care, stay safe and stay healthy.